Hi, do you want to invest in crypto? Stick around because on today's video we'll see 5 steps to start investing in crypto. Consider subscribe and hit that bell to get the latest from our channel. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram. My name is Gil and you're watching Crypto Time channel. So now we have bought our crypto, and I think the next step is we have to select a method of storage. And what I mean by that is once you buy your crypto, you have to select a method to store that crypto. Okay, so as a beginner, and I believe if you have as well like a small amount of money into crypto markets, let's say you have $1 grand, $2 grand, and that maybe doesn't make sense to go to to use fancy and more complicated ways to store your crypto. And in that case, you might just leave your crypto into your account, into your exchange account. In our example, just leave in Binance. Okay, just leave there. Most people will say like, oh, that's not the safest way, but like that's the simple way. Don't get overwhelmed by the information and the and all that. Just keep things simple, because again the simple things always work. Okay, the basic always work. So you could, the first the first method is just leave. You just buy your crypto from your exchange and then just leave the crypto there into your wallet. So again, you're gonna have your wallet into your your exchange. Fine. But if you go, if time goes by and then you okay, now I have more funds, I have more assets, and I have more value there. So I want to take those crypto out of the the exchange, because the exchange, they have your key, your private key. And then we're gonna maybe make a video about private key, all that. But basically they have your key, they have your password for those crypto. And what you're trying to do is to taking off your crypto from your exchange. You're gonna put that crypto in a place where you own your own private key. Okay, you have your own private key, right? So there are 2 ways to do that. The first way is to take your crypto out of the exchange and put into our hot wallet. So hot wallet is a place, is an app. So basically an app, could be a desktop or a smartphone app, but you're gonna store all your crypto in there. Okay, so I have some examples here, so let's go through them. So I have the MetaMask. So as you can see, is an app you can download, and you can visit their website. So it's metamask.io, and then you can go through and check it out. Again, none of those companies are paying me anything. So, but I'm just sharing that with you. The next one is a Coinbase. They also have an app where you can store your crypto. You can download the Coinbase wallet. It's called Coinbase Wallet. And then we have the Trust Wallet, which is from Binance. And here we have their website. And as you can see, again, we can have the app for the Apple device, Android device, and all that. And then you can click and go and check it out, what looks like. So those are some of the some of the hot wallets. And the next one is called cold wallet. And the difference between the cold wallet, which we will see in a minute, and the hot wallet, the basic difference is the hot wallet, they are online wallets. So you are working with an app, so you are constantly online and all that stuff. So the cold wallet is another way or another mean to have a more secure way to store your crypto. Okay, so and that brings us to the ledger. So I have the ledger here. Ledger is the cold wallet is a cold wallet which is basically use cryptography and actually is a physical device where you're gonna store your crypto. Okay, so it's an offline device where all your crypto will be stored in. Okay, so as you can see on their website, and just make sure you go to the official website and avoid all the scams and stuff like that. Okay, so you can see here they have an app, and then the devices, they have two different versions, for different tastes and needs. And we also have the Trezor device. The idea is the same. They have, there are two different, device and all that. And then you can check out their website, the reasons to use that. Again, is just to share with you the ways we have to store. But as a beginner, I wouldn't buy, because they are not like quite cheap, especially if you're just trying to get your first steps into crypto market. So go to the go through this simple and basic flow path. Don't go and overwhelm yourself with all this stuff, because we have a learn curve. So but it's important to share with you that we have those options. Okay, so then I think for the 5 steps we're good, and now I think it's time for a couple of giveaways, at least to share some other concepts, and which is, once you have now your crypto and you have decided where you want to store your crypto, now it's good to have the next step, I would say, is good to have a portfolio tracker, which is basically a tool. It could be a website, an app, or even a spreadsheet. I don't like spreadsheets, but if you like, you can download one or maybe create your own, where you're gonna have all your transactions there, and then that will give you an overall of your portfolio, your gains, your losses, your average price for a particular crypto, your average price in total, overall. So all that stuff. So I brought here some of the free ones available. So we have one called a Blockfolio from FTX. You can get an app and then start using that. So it's basically something that you would go and check at the glance with a very nice UI kind of thing, charts and pie charts and bars and stuff. And then you'll see your progress, what's going on with your portfolio, because that will be refreshed once you open up the app. So then we have Blockfolio then, and then we also have on CoinMarketCap, you can actually go and click on portfolio here, and you will be on this page, and then you can create your own portfolio. Okay, and here you have the taste what looks like. So you'll see your different assets, you see graphics, You see, the balance, losses, and all that useful information. Okay, you can check it out. Coin market cap. Again, you can go portfolio and create your own. Then for CoinGecko, the same thing. You can go and click on portfolio here on the top of the page, and then you'll be on this. And they have as well the mobile version as well as the desktop. And then you have a look, you download if you want. And we have eToro for those who can use eToro. So as well, they are a platform where you can actually buy and sell stocks and crypto, all that. But also they offer you a wallet and a way to see, your performance, your portfolio performance, right there. Okay, so those are just free versions. Some of the examples. Again, there are tons out there. Check it out. And I think another one I want to show, but that is a bit further down the line, when you trying to be to manage better your portfolio and your investments, and then you want to have more knowledge about how to read the markets, how to understand the best time to buy, the best time to sell. Is that a good asset? What's going on in the markets? So for that particular stage on your investment path, I would suggest you to create an account on a platform, on a trade platform, and that's why I have here the tradingview.com. Okay, again, tons out there. This one is just is one of the most popular, and has a free version which covers a lot of things, so you won't need to spend extra money. So go there, create your account. Is quick enough, and then you could see different options such as heat maps, which basically shows different domination of different assets in the market. Okay, so you can see that you could go and check screeners, which basically you can filter and look for stocks or crypto to buy, or you have filters here, you have all the assets here. And finally, and most important, is the charts. But that's for the next step. I'm just bringing to this video, but that would be the next step. So don't mind these are drawings I made here, but it's just to show that we could use okay, the TradingView platform to read the markets, to study the market, and take better decisions. Okay, but that's for another state. We'd have different videos, tutorials showing how to read things, how to understand trade, even trading strategies for those who want to to go into trades. But not only for for professional traders or those who want to be kind of traders, but especially for those who has their own professions, but they want to manage, they want to start investing, and not only in crypto, but all the information, or most of them, you find in our channel. You can apply to the traditional markets, and they want to do that, but they don't know how to to start, and how to better understand and manage all that. So we have our playlists, mindset, all that stuff. So check our channel, check our playlists. We've been posting almost daily on Twitter and Instagram, market analysis and some tips, bits and bobs here and there. So check it out, guys. That's everything I want to show on this video. Leave your comments down below, thumbs up, like this video, spread the word to reach as many people as we can, and see you on the next video.